All tile floors. Nice backyard. Prefer no pets but may make exception. Indoor laundry. Large living area and master suite. Second living area or office. Very cute. Great neighborhood to walk in the evenings. Close to Lark Community Center. Garza School in walking distance. Refrigerator and stove provided. Enclosed patio makes nice office or second living area. Kitchen and baths granite. Air conditioner 2 years old. Open living and spacious.